Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that we recently discovered, the 2024 Cordless Leaf Blower with battery and charger. We've included a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what makes this leaf blower stand out in a crowded market. This cordless leaf blower packs a powerful punch with an impressive airflow of 540 cubic feet per minute and wind speeds reaching up to 170 miles per hour. It features advanced brushless motor and turbine technology that deliver professional-grade performance, making it perfect for heavy-duty leaf removal, patio cleaning, and lawn care. Plus, the innovative honeycomb radiator design helps prevent overheating during extended use, ensuring you can tackle those larger jobs without interruption. One of the key highlights of this leaf blower is its exceptional battery life. Equipped with two high-capacity 6.0 Ah batteries, you can enjoy a runtime that's 5 times longer than typical 2.0 Ah models. Each battery provides between 10 to 150 minutes of use, depending on the power setting. And when it comes time to recharge, the fast charger will have your batteries ready to go in just 1.75 hours. It's a fantastic feature for those with larger yards or extensive outdoor spaces to maintain. But it's not just about power and battery life. This leaf blower is designed with user comfort in mind. Weighing in at a mere 4.2 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight, reducing fatigue during operation. The ergonomic anti-slip rubberized handle and adjustable shoulder strap ensure balanced weight distribution, making it easy to handle for extended periods. Plus, the tool-free assembly allows you to set it up in under 60 seconds, which is a major win when you need to switch tasks quickly. Another standout feature is the 6-speed adjustment and digital display. This allows you to precisely control the airflow based on your needs. Whether you're doing a gentle dusting on your patio or clearing away piles of leaves, you can easily adjust the settings for optimal performance. The digital display is a fantastic upgrade over basic models, showing real-time battery levels and speed settings, so you'll always know what you're working with. So, who is this leaf blower suitable for? If you're someone who enjoys maintaining a tidy outdoor space, whether it's a small patio or a sprawling lawn, this tool is made for you. It's also ideal for homeowners who want a reliable, lightweight, and efficient solution for leaf and debris removal. Garden enthusiasts and homeowners alike will appreciate the ease of use and versatility that this cordless leaf blower offers. In practical use, imagine this: it's a crisp autumn day, and your yard is covered in colorful leaves. Instead of spending hours raking them up by hand, you can grab this cordless leaf blower, adjust it to the high-speed setting, and watch the leaves scatter away in no time. Or, if you're preparing for a gathering, you can easily clear your patio of dust and debris with a gentle breeze setting, making your outdoor space inviting for guests. In conclusion, the 2024 Cordless Leaf Blower with battery and charger is an impressive tool that combines power, efficiency, and user-friendly design. Whether you're tackling heavy-duty leaf removal or just doing a quick cleanup, this leaf blower is up to the task. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.